So we've had a good scout around the area, and we've decided that we're going to head off towards Granada, and then from there we'll depart company with Ian as we make our way slowly back north. But that place down the bottom there, guys, that ravine, wow, 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 absolutely could have made camp there, set everything up. And there's a few walkers and hikers go there during the daytime. It was the weekend whilst we were there, so we saw quite a few people, but this morning we had the whole place to ourselves. No one was there whatsoever, and it's a stone's throw from the main motorway here.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99.
So we're heading towards Granada, and we've decided to take sort of the mountain roads and the passes that way, and I think my ears have popped for the third or fourth time. These roads only seem to go up, there doesn't seem to be a down.
So we're going into the clouds now, that's how high we are.
What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go burn all bridges.
Knowing that within a week or two we'd be leaving Ian as he continued his adventure into Portugal, I was determined to avoid the built-up tourist areas, the main motorways, and instead once again search for those roads less travelled as we continue to make our way west. So we've just stopped off with a little bit of a walk around in the foothills of the Sierra Nevada at a place called Berja, or Berja, I don't know. After Mojaca, maybe this is Berja. Beautiful little place and worth a little stop. So we're completely off the beaten track now. Again, brilliant for us, and what we like to do. No tourists here, is there?
No.
None at all?
No, just us.
Just us. And the locals, of course. And some traffic.
For lunch.
Yeah, and your dad. I don't know where your dad's gone.
Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye.
What up with chocolate? A light snack before finding a park up for some lunch.
With 12,400 inhabitants, Berja is thought to be of Iberian origin, followed by Romans and then the Arabs, who stayed for 8 centuries and brought Vega de Berja to its most splendourous due to the silk that was appreciated around the world. With some beautiful architecture and bustling plazas, it was worth a stop.
Not a touristy place whatsoever, but really authentic. Fully stocked on provisions, so let's go and find a park up for the night. it was going to take something really special to beat the park up on the dry riverbed. However, in our experience, if you search for a lake or reservoir, normally you'll find a great park up. So, we're just coming out of Berja and we're heading our way up into the foothills of the Sierra Nevada again, and we found this road. Looked quite interesting on the map, so this is why we're taking it. And we've seen on the map that there was a reservoir or a lake or something at the top. Don't know if it's still there, it would have dried out, but we're just looking for a park up for the night, so it looks pretty cool. And this road is unbelievable. For years now, we've used map graphics to show our routes as we've travelled across Europe. We do this for two reasons. The first being that we'll always have the routes and the roads embedded within our videos for our own future reference, and secondly, to share our journey with our viewers. So when we learn that folks have followed our routes and have made it to the same destinations and park ups that we've shown, it makes it all worthwhile. So, Andy, Jane and Trigger the van, if you make it down this far, put this place into your itinerary.
It's not working, you know it. You gotta ask if it's worth it. And let go of all the things I've been hurting. No remedy. Don't wanna keep this for too long. I need to find out.
Well, seek and you will find.
So I did get worried for a short time there as we was coming back up that mountain through all them hairpins. I thought, oh, we're going to get to such an elevated level that we're going to be completely shrouded by mountains and in the dark and up in the snow. But no, not at all. This absolutely stunning road and stunning scenery place, and it's so quiet. We saw one car on the way up. Brilliant place.
Was that not the quickest change you've ever seen?
I felt the earth move under my feet. So this is definitely a place to get the chairs out. The proper chairs, no more mucking around. Let's picnic in AVF style. Oh, maybe the chimney will have to come out later.
Come back tomorrow. You know it's not enough that I can make you laugh. Why try to borrow even more time you never have? It's too late, too late, too late, too late. Slide down the rooftop. Slide down the rooftop. It's too late, too late, too late, too late. You'd have to rebuild me from the ground up. From the ground up. try to change, but you want something else. Why cut off your wings? You could change the world and I'd still be a mess. It's too late, too late, too late, too late. Slide down the rooftop. Slide
So there's no time like the present to do a little bit of dinner, and today we're overloading again on vitamins, as much vegetables as we can, but we are going to put a little bit of protein in there with mince. So yeah, all in one pan.
Can only mean one thing.
And you know what time it is in this fantastic park up. Ludo o'clock under a setting sun. We are going to lose light quite early here because there's mountain ridges over the other side, and the sun's just managing to stay above them at the moment, but within half an hour it's going to go behind there, and then the temperature's going to drop a little bit more. But tell you what a fantastic spot this is, and an absolute great couple of days in the wadi, in the old dried up riverbed, and then onto here. Perfect.
Lovely.
Well guys, it's been a great day, and this park up has been absolutely fantastic. But now it's time for bed, and I don't know if any of you guys out there are facing the same problems that we face, getting ready for bed dilemmas that we do. So when we had Hugo, he used to be a right faff, because we had to get the bed out, the covers out, pillows out, just to go to bed. However, we've got a bigger van, but what we have filled it with is pillows and covers and blankets that we do not need. They look nice when the bed's made up, but we don't need them. So before we go to bed, we have to strip layers of stuff off the bed just to get into bed.
I like the cushions and I like the blankets. You like the cushions, you like the blankets. Tony chose them all.
I didn't.
And he names them.
No,
See?
I didn't.
He did.
Right, enough of that. Enough of that naming stuff in the van. You won't catch me doing that.
No.
Where's Harris gone? Oh, Harris the blanket, George the bin, Moo Cow.
We couldn't think of a better name. Moo Cow.
Right, Mrs. Get your camper van.
I was about to get Jane.
Get your...
Da, da, da. Nothing to see here. Anyway.
Many thanks for watching. Please leave a thumbs up and a comment.
And if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you on the road
Soon.